Imagine a company that's been around for over 50 years, providing financing solutions for some of India's biggest power projects. That's REC Limited, a leader in the credit services industry. They offer loans, refinancing deals, and even long-term financing options to help companies like Tata Power generate electricity or expand their operations. But what really sets them apart is their involvement in initiatives that benefit millions of people across the country. One such initiative is the Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, a plan to provide affordable power to every household. REC Limited acts as a nodal agency for this program, ensuring that power plants are built and operated in a sustainable way. Their expertise goes beyond just providing financing services. They act as a consultant for the implementation of various national policies, such as the National Electricity Fund, which aims to promote clean energy production. And if you're an investor looking for a steady stream of income, REC Limited offers revolving bill payment facility services, a type of loan that helps power companies manage their debt. The company has been growing rapidly, driven by demand from both government and private sector players. In fact, their stock price has increased by over 40% in the past year alone, making them an attractive choice for investors looking for a stable return on investment. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.